Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jorge Espinoza. Welcome to this Listening and Speaking for assignment, in which we're going to be talking about a very important topic. The topic for today is animal intelligence. In order for us to understand what animal intelligence is, we first need to know what intelligence is. Intelligence is one of the features that we have as human beings. It's a capacity that allows to adapt and to find solutions to different problems and situations. However, if we talk about animal intelligence, we have to be aware that animal intelligence has a bit of a history since the day that Charles Darwin proposed his theory about the evolution of the species. Since then, scientists have been puzzled to know that animals also have qualities of adaptability, that they can adapt to a new environment by changing their habits and their behavior. And they also have shown that they have potential to create social groups. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 questions that relate back to this topic. The first question is, should animals be kept in a zoo? As far as I'm concerned, I don't think animals should be kept in a zoo because that's not their natural habitat. So they will definitely feel depressed, they will feel sad, and they're not going to be happy. However, we also have to consider that when we're dealing with endangered species such as pandas, koalas, or Tasmanian devils, they are in danger of disappearance. So species like that, they should be kept in a zoo. So it's a bit of a controversial question, but like I said, if it's an endangered species, I should consider that they should be in a better place so they will be well taken care of, whereas if they are not endangered, they should be free. The second question is, should we kill animals and eat them? This is a bit of a double moral question because on the one hand, ideally we shouldn't eat any animal because we should respect them and share the planet like with all living beings. However, the thing is that people have been eating meat for years, for hundreds of years, and that's not going to change anytime soon. So, however, I do propose the idea of minimizing our meat consumption and balancing a little bit with the vegetarian diet because we're not going to have meat here forever, and the more we grow as population, the less food there will be. So we should start trying to find other type of food sources and kind of decreasing our consumption of meat. When it comes to question number three is, should people be allowed to hunt animals? You know what, from my point of view, I don't think so. I come completely against the idea of people hunting animals because I think that's a bit of an evil thing. All animals have the right to live, all animals have the right to share the planet with us, and by people causing them pain and suffering, because they also feel pain and suffering. So it's kind of unfair on our side to be harming animals for no reason. So I'm completely against the idea of people hunting animals. And the question number 4 is, should animals be used in experiments? This is a very difficult question as well because on the one hand, just like we're looking at the situation right now, we're in the middle of a pandemic in which scientists are trying to develop a vaccine, but they have nowhere to test it. So in situations like this, I think it is okay to test in animals because we're going to be testing new vaccines on human beings. So it's better to test it in animals. So only in situations like this, I consider that animals should be taken into account when it comes to an experiment. Besides that, no, they shouldn't. I don't think people should do that. And the question number 5 is, should we enforce stricter laws to protect endangered species? Absolutely, we have to, because the thing is that one of the things that makes us human is this sense of humanity that we have, is a sense of compassion, a sense of love that we have for the world and for animals in general. So it is our job and it is our duty to make sure that all endangered species, they are protected. And if our governments are not doing enough to protect those laws, it is in our hands to try to convince them to enforce these laws, because there are endangered species such as the koala. With the Australian fires, almost the koala disappeared. So we have to think in this type of species and try to enforce a little bit of our humanity side so we can be a better person and a better human being. In conclusion, I have to say that we should never underestimate the intelligence of an animal, whether it's a cat, a pet, a dog, a bird, or a dolphin. All animals have a unique capacity and unique skills of adaptability that till today they shock us, and it will continue on. So we should never underestimate them, and we should always taking care of them and give them love, which is the most important thing. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.